it's a global thing. Very much the UK is part of that global MedTech community.
I think the MedTech Expo is like the place to be for companies our size and our kind of industry.
It's a really fast-moving area. Digitech's moving insanely fast.
Every year it's getting bigger. It's becoming a showcase for the Midlands.
You find people come out with the woodwork, they've got this just most amazing applications. All of our customers do fantastic stuff.
It's been a great opportunity to bring like-minded people together who all have a passion for innovation technology in healthcare.
It's been quite varied. There's been some conversations about our innovations that we've got on the stand.
And we've made already some really good partnerships that I think will bear fruit in the future.
It's been wonderful to speak to a real range of people and for us learn more about the industry.
It's definitely the place to be for MedTech. There's so many medical device companies here, anyone looking to get into tech, and just the conversations show that the industry is thriving and so many more people are wanting to work and get involved in it.
I've already booked for next year. We've already booked a slot for next year, so yeah, it's been a great event.